This how to 1 minute will show you how to remove or how to delete SSL certificate from website using cPanel. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to delete SSL from your website. First of all, log into your cPanel and click on this search box and type here SSL. Now click on SSL/TLS. Scroll down. Click on Manage SSL Sites. And here you will get all of your installed SSL certificates. And I want to delete these SSL certificates. So I'm clicking on Uninstall. Proceed. And as you can see, the SSL certificate has been removed from my website. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.